Hello, hello, hello. How to open a brokerage account with Vanguard. Type that in the YouTube search bar. Look for the video by Vanguard. Then click play. I'll also have a link to this video as well. So we're going to open a new account at Vanguard. We're going to open our very first brokerage account. Fun, exciting. I can't wait. How about you? All right. So there's no cost to open this account. First thing, go to Vanguard.com and click on open an account. You want to open a new account. You're not going to move an account. So you're going to fund it with your electronic bank transfer. And you don't have to fund it today, but you can fund it tomorrow. Do you already have a login? If you already have a retirement account with Vanguard, you can use the very same login. This page is telling you the things you'll need to make this process go a little faster. What type of account? You want to select number 2, general investing. You can also do Roth IRA, college savings, or an account for a minor. You're going to open it by yourself or jointly. So you have different options here. Then you're going to tell us about yourself. You're going to input your information, name, social, address, phone number, and you're going to verify that everything that you entered is correct. You're going to set up your web access so you can check on your funds. Not when the market is down. We don't check when the investments are down because they're going to go back up. And you can't realize a loss if you don't sell. All right, so now you're going to add your bank to your Vanguard account. You can do it the old-fashioned way, or you can link it here and type in the name of your bank. And then you can enter your bank login information. Or like I said, you can do it the old-fashioned way and type in your routing number or an account number. So again, they're giving you options. If you link it, you'll see your checking accounts and your savings accounts. You can see this person is a big baller. All right, and so you can select later if you want to do this later. I recommend, $25. Do it now. Get yourself in the game. This person is, again, a baller and did $12,000. You tell about your employment status, whatever they may be. You're a self-funded boss. You paying the cost to be the boss. And then it's just asking questions, what's the purpose of the account? Are you laundering money, or are you just trying to build some generational wealth? You read all the disclosures and disclaimers, and that's it. It's literally so easy to open the account. The hard part is making the money to put in the account. That's the hard work. Opening the brokerage account is not hard. Literally, this video is 3 minutes long, and you can do it in less time than that. So let's get it. Let's get this generational wealth party started. All right, bye.